Hello, Dana Guitar Class. I hope you're having a fantastic week. There is one more song in the packet for me to create a playthrough video for, and that is the Kookaburra song. It is an Australian folk tune, as you can see in the title. The Kookaburra is a very unique bird. It is named for the excited chortling that it makes in its calls. And maybe this melody is meant to recreate some of that sweet excitement. I encourage you to look the Kookaburra up on YouTube to hear the rather fascinating sound that it makes. I am not any sort of ornithological imitator, so you'll have to check for yourself to hear what it sounds like. Okay, so here we go. This is part one. This song is in the key of F. The tempo is 120 beats a minute. It means every B that you play will be flat. It'll be on the third string at the third fret. This song is not very long. It's played in rounds, so the metal group will start first. 2 bars later, the jazz group will start, and then the blues group will start 2 bars after the jazz group. You'll play through the A section 2 times, and for the metal and jazz players, you will lay out, or you'll wait when you get to the end of the second, your second time through, and then the whole ensemble will play together the ending of the song. Hopefully that makes sense. So it'll go with metal, it'll play through the form twice, and then it will hold for a total of 4 bars. The jazz group will play through the form twice, hold for a total of 2 bars. The blues group will play the A section twice, and then straight through all the way to the end, with the metal and jazz groups joining for that ensemble ending. So I'm gonna play part 1 in first position, just because, and I'm gonna play part 2 and maybe part 3 in up here in like 4th and 5th position, just to give a little bit of variety, and that's strictly a mechanical choice that you can make when you play it. If you want to see how I play it up in 5th position, pay attention to parts 2 and 3, or at least part 2 for sure, and you can play that for any version you like. Or if you're more comfortable playing in first position, this initial part will be a demonstration of it played in first position. Okay, without further ado, the Kookaburra song. We'll have a 2-bar count in, 120 beats per minute. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold 2. Hold for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3. Here we go. All right, that's part 1. Now is part 2. I'm going to play that in 5th position. And there will be, on top of this 2-bar count in, we'll wait 2 bars through the performance of part 1 to join in. Here we go. I'm going to play it in 5th position. I'll start on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, resting for 2 bars. Here we go. Rest. And repeat. And hold. 2. Hold for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was part 2. Part 3 is about the same. It is going to wait a longer time to come in, but so be it. I'll play it in first position just for laughs. Everybody needs to laugh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. Part 1 starts here. Part 2 starts here. Here we go. Rest. And repeat. The ending. All right, that's the Kookaburra song. Practice it, get really good at it, and you will be mightily rewarded. Have a fantastic rest of the week.